Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the PIERRE 16 amp mechanical relay, how to connect it, test it, and replace it if necessary. We start by connecting the relay module. First, we connect the G&D, then the output that we'll be using, in this case, output 1. Next, we connect the phase wire to the COM terminal. You can easily identify it. It's the lower left connector, marked KO on the relay. Now, let's bring in our load. We connect the neutral wire first, then the live wire to the NO terminal. Once everything is wired up, we can test it right away. Open the PIERRE application, and as soon as we toggle the switch, the relay activates instantly. If the relay ever needs replacement, it's just as easy. Simply power down the system, remove the old relay with the help of the small tab, insert the new one, and when we turn the power back on, it works flawlessly again. That's all for the PIERRE 16 amp mechanical relay demonstration. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.